The Nothing Phone 2 is the second-generation smartphone from Carl Pei's Nothing brand, aiming to refine and elevate the bold, minimalist aesthetic introduced with the first model. It's packed with premium features, a unique design, and improved performance, making it a serious competitor in the mid-premium segment. The standout feature of the Nothing Phone 2 is its transparent back panel, showcasing the internal components, complemented by Glyph LED lights. These customizable LEDs can now handle more advanced notifications and interactions, such as volume indicators, app-specific alerts, and more. The phone features Gorilla Glass on both the front and back, with an aluminum frame for durability. Available in white and dark gray, both maintaining the clean, modern aesthetic. 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display. FHD+, 2412 by 1080 pixels, with a pixel density of 394 ppi. Adaptive 120 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Peak brightness of 1600 nits, making it easy to use even in direct sunlight. Ensures vibrant colors and deep contrast for media consumption. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, a significant upgrade from the Snapdragon 778G Plus in the Nothing Phone 1. While not the latest flagship chip, it delivers excellent performance for gaming, multitasking, and day-to-day use. Options include 8GB or 12GB of RAM, 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB. Runs on Nothing OS 2.0, a near-stock Android experience with a focus on minimalism and clean visuals. The software integrates unique features for the Glyph interface and promises 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches. 50MP Sony IMX890 with OIS, delivering excellent photos with vibrant colors and sharp details, even in low-light conditions. 50MP Samsung JN1 sensor with a 114-degree field of view, offering good detail but slightly softer edges compared to the main sensor. 32MP selfie camera, offering crisp and detailed images with natural skin tones. Supports 4K at 60 frames per second on the rear cameras and 1080p at 60 frames per second on the front. Improved stabilization and HDR make it great for creators. 4700 mAh battery, providing a full day of moderate to heavy usage. Supports 45W fast charging, but no charger is included in the box. 15W wireless charging and 5W reverse wireless charging for accessories like earbuds. Pros: stunning, unique design with customizable Glyph interface. Bright and smooth 120 Hz OLED display. Reliable performance with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Excellent main camera with solid low-light performance. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Clean, minimalistic software with long-term updates. Cons: lacks a telephoto camera. No charger included in the box. Slightly heavier than its predecessor. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 isn't the latest flagship chip, but still powerful. Conclusion: the Nothing Phone 2 is an impressive follow-up to the first-generation model, refining its design and performance while maintaining its unique identity. It strikes a great balance between aesthetics, functionality, and value, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a mid-premium phone that stands out from the crowd. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of flagship devices, its innovative design, reliable performance, and clean software experience make it a compelling option.